If you're using the desktop version of Canva, it has a great feature that allows you to record over the top of anything that you create inside of it. You cannot do this on an iPad, but you can do this on a laptop. So I'm on a laptop right now and I'm logged into my account. I can see that I'm logged in. And if I come up here to share, I can click on see all, and the option that I am looking for is present and record. So if I click present and record, it says you can record yourself while talking over a presentation. So if I click go to recording studio, this is going to help me set up my devices. I can turn my camera on or I can turn my camera off. And you can see here, I can select the microphone that I would like to use. Right now, I would like to just use the microphone that's inside my laptop. So I've chosen MacBook Air microphone. You can see here, this blue bar gives me the levels of my voice. So maybe I should move a little bit closer to try and make sure that the recording is as loud as possible. When I'm ready, I can click record and it gives me a countdown. Oh snail, climb Mount Fuji, but slowly, slowly. And I end recording up here in the top corner of the screen, and then you can see it's ready. So when I'm done, I can click save and exit, and it's saved it for me. I can now access that back on my iPad or any other device.